Hello, this is Dr. Martina, your online sex therapist and sex educator. It is the first Tuesday of the month, which means I'm going to be stepping into the second chapter of the sex educational program that I'm putting together for all of the people who are committed to have better sex in 2023 and have healthier sex in 2023. It just requires a commitment from you to really having that intention. And then on the first Tuesday of the month, you will learn something that will help you achieve exactly that, the goal of having better and healthier sex. We started last month in the cognitive component. We're going to stay there because this month I want to talk about the importance of giving yourself permission to look. So the permission to look at your partner's genitals, to get aroused, seeing the genitals and keeping your look there, even so you know you're being watched. To look at your partner's face when they're coming, when their arousal is increasing to a level where you want to be there with them. You wanna connect with them, make eye contact. So it's not just about giving yourself permission to look, but also giving yourself, or even more importantly, giving yourself permission to make eye contact while you are in the thrust of passionate lust. You know, our sexuality is an activity, and it's one that most of us, or at least the ones who are watching this, hopefully, is an activity that they love, and they want to make it better. They want to have it freer. They want to expand their horizons to be healthier, not with, not having any clouds over it that suppress your excitement and your arousal and your passion. So giving yourself permission to look and to be seen is huge. And it's something, unless you're doing it, you don't even know what you're missing. Pornography. When we do something that we really love, we love other people doing it. So we watch and we look, and there's a huge number now, people are coming out more and more with saying that they love pornography. Now, when you're with somebody that you love and that you know in bed yourself, it is better than life pornography. What it is to see your partner, look at your partner's eyes while you can see their arousal is increasing, and they keep the look with you. They connect with you. They make the eye contact with you. They don't shy away. They don't look their eyes away and close their eyes and get all shy about it. But when you give yourself permission to look and be seen, there's a huge amount of power and freedom that comes along with it. I struggle with it just like everybody else. I'm a product of this society just like everybody else. I struggled with watching porn because I thought somebody watching me porn, they're going to judge me for it because they're going to think I'm this and then that and it's too much and all of that stuff. So I hid it a lot. I watched porn by myself, making sure nobody sees it. And then I wanted to have live porn with my partners, meaning I wanted to look and be seen while I was having sex with my partner. And so I started to make eye contact a lot and asked my lovers to look at me while they're pleasuring me, or look at me and see the passion and the lust that they're producing for me and through me. And it is an amazing thing to share, and it's something that gives your eros backbone, because if you can look and you can be okay being seen that you're looking, and you can be okay that arrows in your eyes when you get super excited about it, the lust that comes up, that you can show that and you can let that be seen in your eyes. This is something that you and your partner can gift each other with by looking at each other. I understand it's not easy, but practice makes everything better and easier. So give yourself permission to, implement little scenes in your lovemaking where you actually let your partner see you being aroused with eye contact. Let them read your passion and your lust in your eyes. Do not shy away and connecting with them, with making eye contact while you're in the heat of the passion. You will see that that creates moments that are so intimate. They're so intimate between you and your partner that they can last beyond the bedroom. You can have breakfast the next day, or have a meal, or walk down the street and then just kind of looking at each other and remembering that look and just smiling at each other, and be appreciative and celebrate your sexuality, because it is the glue to your relationship. So if you can give it that spotlight and include that spotlight in your eye contact, your sex will be better. It will be more joyful. It will be more exciting, and they will have more freedom with it. And if you struggle with any of this, if you have fears that, if you look at them and if you connect them with them, and you want to discuss it with me, please contact me. I'm here for that. Have fun looking and be seen.